Today we'll show you how to schedule your mail to other mails. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and the first go to this to send a new message. Just click like this and here put your mail to send. Okay, I will put the mail this to sending to it. Okay guys, like this, and the subject like a test mail. Okay, here maybe like hello, like this. Okay, so now go to this, not send, no, go to here to this point. Just click to more send options. Just click and schedule like the send. Just click. Okay, here you have the three, like tomorrow morning, like tomorrow afternoon, like Monday, like today, or after 1 week. Okay, but I don't want to do this. I want today or after month or after year. I will pick the date. I will pick it. Okay, just if I want to send today, okay, at other hours, just click the date of today, just like this. Okay, and go here and put the hour I need it, like this maybe. Okay, I will now test with you. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, and like this. Oh wait, like 9, like this is 8, then this is 9. Okay, shoulder test. You can't, just you can maybe like this. Okay, and after 1 hour, okay, like this and this. Okay guys, after 1 hour, it's 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 not 1 hour, it's not, but after 1 hour it will be 8. Okay, like this, and should all send. Okay, it's now after 1 hour we'll be sending to this is a mail I sent to him. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.